Imagine your smart speaker is always listening, even when you don't say a word. IoT devices like Alexa and Google Assistant are designed to activate with wake words, but they often listen continuously. This constant surveillance poses a significant privacy risk. With remote work becoming the norm, home offices have expanded the attack surface for cyber threats. Many setups lack robust security, making them vulnerable. Treating home networks with the same security standards as corporate environments is crucial to safeguarding data. IoT devices in home offices can be gateways for hackers. Unchanged default passwords and outdated firmware are common vulnerabilities. Ensuring these devices are secure is essential to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive company information. To secure your home office, start by changing default passwords on all IoT devices and regularly updating their firmware. Consider investing in enterprise-grade networking equipment to enhance security. By managing your home network diligently, you can prevent unauthorized access and protect your data.